When you feel like you are a public nuisance, you second guess if you should even walk outside today. Your house is made out of paper, put together years ago. You take one step outside, feel a droplet. This area is far too inconvenient to sit and wait for others' sake. This bus stop's roof is caved in. I left my umbrella at home, and the rain will fall. It'll flow and flood all of the houses around you. And the rain will fall. There's nothing that you can do to stop it. So take off all of your clothes and learn to swim. I run to the nearest grocery store 'cause it's frightening. It's the afternoon and the outside is only lit by lightning. The store seems empty, but my fear might make me blind. And if it does, then I just look like a shivering weirdo to the cashier. Too much to say pretentious, feeling tired yet you're restless. What do you have to complain about? Sad and depressing memories are doing very bad things to hurt me. Who can I say if it's not myself? And the rain will fall. It'll flow and flood all of the houses around you. And the rain will fall. There's nothing that you can do to stop it. So take off all of your clothes and drown in it. And the rain will fall. 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 So just wait for the clouds to drift away.